Now we're looking at the debt management ratios. And the most basic ratio is just the debt to capital ratio. And so you take total debt, which is the notes payable and long-term debt, over total invested capital. So what they've done here is they've said total debt, notes payable plus long-term debt, 300 plus 400, divided by notes payable plus long-term debt plus total common equity. And you can find these on the balance sheet for 2015. And so the ratio is 26.4%. Then we have the tie ratio, which is called times interest earned. By the way, to tell if this 26.4% is good, we're going to have to make a comparison with the industry. The times interest earned ratio, the higher this number, the better. So you take earnings before interest and taxes and divide by interest. And so we've got to find this on the income statement. So you get 7. And so if we look at the industry average is 40% and the 2015 estimate was 26.4%. So they actually have less debt than the industry. Also, when we were looking at this in the beginning, we saw that they basically issued a lot of common equity and they paid off their debt by issuing that common equity. They could actually have more debt as a part of their capital structure if they wanted to, but as it is, they kind of have a better debt to capital ratio than the industry. The times interest earned ratio is also better than the industry. It was worse in 2013 and 2014. So the higher this number, the better, because that shows you how many times over can you pay your interest expense with your earnings before interest and taxes. So because they reduce debt so much, that's why these two ratios are better. And I don't know that that necessarily means this is a better thing for the company.